Today we are going to some science experiment to teach the concept for my son Priyank. We know that early for him, but it will be going to fun way to learning. He is very excited and enjoying. First experiment, normal water and 2 glass, 2 lemon and salt. Water density experiment, salt water and normal water. चलो salt water करो. It is normal water. It is higher than water density, so it is sink. This is lemon water. This is less than water density, so it is floats. Okay, baby. Second experiment. Milk, some colors and soap. Rainbow experiment. Now air pressure experiment. Air pressure experiment. Now air pressure experiment. We need water bottle and safety pin. Now make holes. Air is full of bottle. That's why water not come out. When caps on the bottle, see